to another video. Okay, I don't really know what the location is, but I know it's a park. But the park has some really interesting structures. I'm wearing my new shoes that I got, and yeah, I'm just going through here. Just going. There's supposed to be a lake or something nearby. Oh, there it is. There it is. So this is the place that we were talking about, like nature at its finest. Water, birds everywhere, just plain nature at its finest. So, nothing usual, just in the water, getting back up. Took some dope pictures with my shoes. You see, it was new, so I gotta like show it off. So, took some pretty nice pictures. Nature, everything here is absolutely perfect. And birds everywhere. Everything looks pretty dope. And every single detail, like, look at it. Every single detail looks dope. Yeah, so this whole place is pretty dope. Like river, pictures, nature at its finest, and just itself is like so calm and motivating, and it makes you feel good. You see, getting away from technology for a while, I'm just using my phone to record myself. I'm not really trying to, like, you know, get into other stuff, but using my phone to record myself, that's the only reason why I'm using my phone. Other than that, I'm just looking around, talking, taking pictures, stuff like that, enjoying what the nature and what the earth is giving us. Because yeah, that looks like a creepy spot. That just looks like a creepy spot. That just speaks creepy right in front of the door. So yeah. Yeah, this is all the park stuff. Now we're going to a family friend's house. I mean, a long lost friend. Yeah, let's get it going.
Never let them tell you you can't do it. Hard times, but you're gonna get through it. I promise you, cause I've been there. Got up and I put my mind to it. They told me no, but I told them yes. And I used to feel all alone, so depressed, but